Assalamualaikum students. Today we will read a poem by W.H. Davies. W.H. Davies' poetry is based on nature. As it's very obvious from the title, this poem is also about a beautiful phenomenon of nature, the rain. Contents of today's lecture are: objectives are: here is the text of the poem. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. It is a sweet noise to hear, these green leaves drinking near. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark ground drop. I hope the sun shines bright, it will be a lovely sight. Here is the theme of this beautiful poem. There are many themes of any piece of writing. This poem also has a literal and symbolic theme. On literal level, we see a person who is enjoying a beautiful scene of rain. On symbolic level, it has something different to present. The poem is about blessings of Almighty Allah, rain and sun. Symbolically, it is about division of society in rich and poor people. The poet is delighted to see and hear the sights and sounds of nature bathing in rain. The upper leaves of the tree represent the rich and the lower leaves of the tree, they represent the poor people of society. The sunshines represent the day when the darkness of poverty will come to an end and there will be equality in society. Nature appears kind and beneficent. The poem ends with an optimistic note. The poet hopes that after the rain the sun will shine and brighten the whole surrounding. Now here is a kind of short quiz for you. MCQ number 1 is: the poem "The Rain" has dash meaning. Options are specific, universal, critical. And the correct option is highlighted, it's universal. Second is I hear leaves drinking dash. Options are rain, water, pains, and the correct option is rain. Next MCQ is the favorite themes of the poet W.H. Davies are dash. Nature and hardships of poor, metaphysical ideas, universe. And the correct option is nature and hardships of poor. Next MCQ is the meaning of the word wondrous is dash. Options are marvelous, dull, bright. The correct option is marvelous. Here is another quiz. As the poem question is based on theme and stanza comprehension, so these questions will help you out in answering the questions. Question number 1 is, what do the rich and the poor people symbolize? Question number 2 is, what is the main idea of the poem? Question number 3 is, what does the poet hope? Okay students, we have discussed the literal and symbolic themes of the poem. We have discussed the summary of the poem, and we have reached the conclusion that it takes both rain and sunshine to make a rainbow. The poet hopes for a better future, and he hopes that there would be a time when there would be equality in society. I hope you would have understood the poem well. Thank you.